What's up, all you Gremlin lovers? Look at this bad boy. Look at this big floor right here. Man, this thing's got like a Hemi inside there or something. Probably a 392 Hemi inside there. Look at that. So, look at it, got the weld wheels. Still got the bench seat. How cool is that? 5-speed. Yeah. Got an old school 392. I got slicks under there. That's so cool. Look at that. Still got the original tank.
I got a whole Bible that I'm restoring.
You got the little Gremlin over there with the fuel cell. It's a cool ride right here, man. Let me tell you something. That's all you need is a big blower sticking out of your hood. You want to see some more cool rides like this? Click the link above. Don't forget to follow. See you on the next Florida Car Show.